It's the original.
Original, 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 original.
Over here we have the good food them. Over here we have the good contents. Over here we have the good things them. Share, subscribe, like and comment. In my bowl may have some flour. So guys, we have some seasoning chop, tomato chop, scallion, and I have some saltfish in this plate here. And some water in my cup. And we're gonna do today some saltfish fritters. Yes, saltfish fritters. Let's get to the video. In my bowl here I have the flour. I'm gonna start by adding in my chopped seasoning. And guys, I don't use any onion. I use scallion, or it's otherwise known the green onion, right? And tomato and pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper. That's what I have as my season here. And then I'm gonna pour in my saltfish. And my saltfish is already salted. I washed it, but about 2 times. So I'm not gonna add any salt because my saltfish is already salted. I'm adding my water. And get this together nicely and bring it to the consistency that I want. Add some more water. And I know not a lot of persons, especially Jamaicans, like, saltfish fritters. Some persons will have it with bread. Some persons will have it like just the fritters itself. It can be eaten, with like anything. Pour some more water because it's still too thick. We don't want it too thick and we don't want it too watery. You've seen all the seasoning looking so nice. Gonna add some more water. But as I said before, I don't use any onion, but if you want to use onion, you can go ahead and put onion on sweet pepper in yours. I'm not using any onion or sweet pepper in mine. And some black pepper. Yes, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Wow, you see that? Yes. Now we're ready for frying. Over here on the stove, I have some oil in my frying pan already heated. On medium. We don't want to turn the flame on high, because what will happen is that the outside of the fritters will fry and the inside will be raw. So we want to put our stove on our heat on medium so that it will be nicely cooked. Gonna add some parsley flakes, and this is optional. Okay, let me just test my oil to see. Yes, this is ready. So I'm gonna put in my first batch. I'm just gonna do 1 spoon at a time. 1 spoon. Don't want to overload. 1 spoon. Let me put another one over here. Good. I'm gonna let those fry for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, that have been 5 minutes frying. So I'm gonna turn them on the other side. Yes, they always live loving, but as soon as they fry, then they will come apart. See the color? These are finished, my first batch. So I put them on a napkin here for them to drain. Take these out and get ready for my second batch. Guys, just look. These are hot and nice. Turn my flame down back. And just get rid of these that they don't stay in there and burn. So I'm gonna put in my second batch. Okay guys, this is my finished product and I've garnished it with some parsley flakes. Look, so scrumptious and nice. Saltfish fritters. Take a bite. Take a bite. I tell you, over here we have the good things them and the good food them. Yup. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Voila, look at that. No grease. Look. You see? Nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know you're gonna love them when you try them. So let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.